Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Asma's Kitchen. I am Asma. Today I have a raita recipe to share with you. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. For raita I have 1 cup of yogurt, cumin seed powder half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon and few mints. Now in a cup of yogurt add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon cumin seed powder and mix it well. Then garnish it with mint leaves or coriander leaves. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Give thumbs up if you like it. Share it with your family and friends. Subscribe Asma's Kitchen and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.